Today I would like to share you how to bring quick note from your iPad to your iPhone. Actually, this is a tweak from Idea, even though it does not come with the same gesture, but it does similar thing where you can go ahead and note on your iPhone. So if I tap on the screen here, it is going back to my home screen. With the iPad, we just use the pencil and swipe from here. But with the tweak, you just simply double tap on your home screen. It will bring up the note. So now let me show you how to get it. You need to make sure that you have already jailbreak your device and then you have already installed Cydia. So now let me go to Cydia. For those of you that are new to the jailbreak, you can go ahead and check on my channel. I have done a ton of video about jailbreak. And now to install a tweak, you need to make sure you go to sources and then you need to add this repo. I also included in my video description as well. And now let's go back, go to all packages, and this is the one that you need. It is a tweak called notations. So just go ahead and hit on modify and install, confirm, and restart Springboard. And now if you install it for the first time, you need to set up in settings, go back to settings, scroll all the way down, you will find notations. Just go ahead and open it. There are three choices. You have light mode and you have dark mode, so select the one that you like. And then we have the gesture for you to enable the note. For me, I use double tap, so it is easier for me. So now just go ahead and double tap on your home screen. It will bring up the note, and if you are new to this, you need to hold on here, and then it will bring up another note, and you can close or you can lock your note. If you don't want, like sometimes you move it accidentally. So if I lock, I cannot move it. So now to move, just unlock the node, and then you should be able to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like these tweaks. Then I will see you guys in the next one.